the competitive pressure of the various countries' products, like China product and Japan product and Korea product. Electronics nowadays, Korea, Iran, and they are playing very major role. So these how Indian MSMEs can withstand. So unless if you are doing the same routine work, just production, delivery, then it's not possible for to withstand this particular area. So we have to when olden normal keypad was there in the mobile, we are using it. Nowadays smartphone is there, touch screen has come. So we are immediately adapting that. Similar to that, when technology is also changing, we have to change. So what the thing is, we identified some 10 important components where the Indian MSMEs could, increase in their, strength. So these are all the areas we found that Indian MSMEs are lagging. And if we concentrate this area, like, barcode, which we have discussed, and incubator is one of the scheme we are giving to fund association for 63 lakhs for each, TBA, Technology Business Incubator. In fact, we go and visit the important institutions like IIT, IIC, and Anna University, and other various engineering colleges where they have good infrastructure. And we recognize as a TBA, Technology Business Incubator. And in fact, through that we are funding 63 lakhs. In that 63 lakhs, the government, the college can make use of the students to make a new innovative product. If any new idea is coming and if they want to make this idea into commercialization, so without fund it is not possible. And for that, government has taken initiative funding these projects. So the idea can get patented. If it is a new idea or innovative idea, it can be patented. And also these ideas can be make it into realization. And once you make this prototype development of that particular product, then you can go for commercialization. Once you go for commercialization, automatically the government of India schemes through which you can avail the loan facility and make your enterprises. So to bring the awareness right from the college level to the students. Any students are here? Can raise your hand. You can pass this information to your college that there is a facility called TBA, Technology Business Incubator, where Ministry of MSME is providing to engineering colleges where they get a fund of 63 lakhs. Okay, this information you can pass. This will help your institution and also directly to you to see the industrial setup in the colleges. Okay, so like I have another scheme called IPR, Intellectual Property Rights. IPR is one of the important components related to MSMEs. So, but when you take Indian scenario, many MSMEs doesn't know about what is meant by IPR. So IPR means you have patent, trademark, copyrights, geographical indication, design, industrial design. So like that, many components are there in IPR. So many people are unaware of this because probably their product is a very new kind. For example, if they go and patent it and they can, sell to somebody, if they doesn't want to start an enterprise, they can sell or they can fancy this particular, license this particular product to the existing enterprise. And they can get a royalty income without doing any activity. So these are many people not unaware. So we just want to concentrate IPR and we in fact bringing the export from Controller and Auditor General from IPR office. And we bring lot of awareness program. We do 1-day program, 2-day program. We visit to colleges to create this awareness among the students. Also, we bring the entrepreneurs to make their product. If at all so far not registered, they can get registered. Because trademarks makes a very big value. So many people they are not even go for trademark. So we say the importance of getting trademark and patents and all through these IPR schemes. QMS, PTT, Lean, and these are all, some of the components I can say, but Lean is one of the important components, reducing the waste. So there are nearly 25 technical items are there. technical points are to be adapted to make an industry to a lean manufacturing process. Okay, so like right from the 5S to Six Sigma. So you can